The Minoan civilization, flourishing on the island of Crete around 2000 BC, showcased remarkable advancements in sanitation. Among their innovations were sophisticated flush toilets, a testament to their engineering prowess. These early toilets were not just simple holes in the ground, they featured a water flushing system powered by gravity. Water was channeled through clay pipes, carrying waste away to a drainage system. Excavations at sites like Knossos revealed these toilets often included seats made from stone or wood. Such innovations indicate that Minoans valued hygiene, health, and comfort, significantly impacting daily life and social structure, paving the way for future sanitation practices.